Hey guys, it's Joe with Pop EVs, and today I'm installing my Puddle Lights and footwell lights. I have a Model Y, and these lights also fit in the glove box and in your armrest center console. So just lift that thing up and those lights in there, you can change that out. I am doing my glove box, my 2 footwells in the front, and the 4-door puddle lights. I'll show you what that looks like. I'll show you the process. Super simple, takes about a minute per light. So there are many manufacturers out there. You can find a bunch of different color lights. Go with the ones that you like. Follow the video. So let me show you what you'll be using. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and your new lights. So this is my puddle light and this is my footwell light. Super easy to install. I'm gonna do that for you right now. Let's get to it. So I'm going to start with the footwell. There's the light in there, right? And I will show you how to remove that. Make sure you subscribe to see more videos and hit that like button. If there's something that you want to do with your Tesla, you haven't seen videos, you can't find info on it, hit me up in the comments, let me know. I'll do my best to research it and figure it out, and maybe I'll do a video for you. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like button.